Kia ora koutou. Part 5 in the Momo Kupu video series is about locative prepositions, location words, or in te reo Māori, ngā tūwāhi. The word preposition is a great clue that it's a type of word that relates to the position or location of something. It's another word that originates from Latin, this time from the word propositio. In te reo Māori, it's called a tūwāhi. Wāhi meaning place or location. Here are some examples of tūwāhi. I'll use this little guy, te te pea, to show you each of the kupu. We'll start with on or above, which is runga. Runga can be translated to on, above, or over. Next we have raro, which means under, underneath, or below. Next up, mua, in front, or sometimes before, and muri, behind. It can also sometimes mean after in some sentences. If we want to say beside, we would say ki te taha. To the right is ki te taha matau, and to the left is ki te taha mauī. I have a little memory strategy that I use to remember these. Mauī has 4 letters in it, and so does left. Right has 5 letters in it, and so does matau. In or inside is roto, and outside is waho. And the kupu for between is wainganui. So there you have it, a brief introduction to ngā tūwāhi, locative prepositions. Runga, raro, mua, muri, ki te taha, wainganui, roto, and waho. I'll download this image as a PDF and add it to the website and the Google Classroom if you'd like a copy. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a look at my video about ngārere wāhi, locative sentences, to learn how to use these kupu in a sentence. That's all for my videos about types of words for now. In another playlist where I look at the fundamentals of te reo Māori, I'll continue on with this series where I'll be talking about ngā punga or particles. They're only little words, but they carry a lot of meaning. Nā reira, ka nui te mihi kia koutou. Hei kona.